Alright, I'm here at IsettasRus today. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about this vehicle. First off, I'm Fabian. I'm Werner's son. And together we restore Isettas here at IsettasRus. This is a freshly restored vehicle. This is a 1958 BMW Isetta, US import, tropical version. The color combination is Sun Dune Beige with Spanish red. I personally would pick this color combination if I were to do my own Isetta. The restoration process was pleasant. The body was in excellent shape, requiring no sheet metal work. A lot of the original parts are reused. Let me get this angle back over here. Alright, now let me take a look inside. Thank you, and stay tuned.